I was home alone, and I can smell some smoke, but it didn't bother me. And turn on the news, they said it was coming from just about maybe 2 blocks uphill from me. But it was far enough, didn't bother me. And then I see the police coming down our driveway from the road. The next thing, he was on the front door, knocking on the door, said, you better get out. So I said, can I have some time to just pack little things? He says, no, you gotta go. And we took off to the neighbor's house. From the neighbor's house, we were watching the burning. We were allowed to go back 2 days later, and it was devastating. It was nothing left. I registered on disasterassistance.gov, and anybody else should go to that sign and register, because FEMA, the sole purpose is to come to help us, people like us. Go to the FEMA office, the temporary setup office. Right now, I'm standing in the Maui College. They'll help you from typing your name in until the end, which is unbelievable. I'm 82, and it's a wide rebuild. It probably will take at least 2 years. But, with FEMA, with SBA, and then for the immediate family to Ohana, that's why I'm going to rebuild.